Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Paysafe payment processing. Paysafe is a leading global payment solutions provider. They offer a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, prepaid cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. Paysafe is used by millions of people around the world, and they are a trusted and reliable payment processor. What is the phone number for Paysafe payment processing? The phone number for Paysafe payment processing is 1-800-578-1234. You can call this number to get help with any of the following: creating a new Paysafe account, adding money to your Paysafe account, making a payment with Paysafe, troubleshooting any problems you're having with Paysafe. How to use Paysafe. Paysafe is easy to use. Here are the steps you need to follow. Create a new Paysafe account. You can do this by going to the Paysafe website and clicking on the Create an Account button. Add money to your Paysafe account. You can do this by using a credit card, debit card, prepaid card, e-wallet, or bank transfer. Make a payment with Paysafe. You can do this by entering your Paysafe account number and PIN. Paysafe benefits. There are many benefits to using Paysafe. Here are a few of the most important. Paysafe is safe and secure. Paysafe is easy to use. Paysafe is available in many countries. Paysafe offers a variety of payment methods. Paysafe is affordable. Paysafe security. Paysafe is committed to protecting your personal information. They use the latest security technologies to keep your data safe. Paysafe customer service. Paysafe has a team of dedicated customer service representatives who are available to help you 24/7. Paysafe is a great payment processor that is used by millions of people around the world. They are safe, secure, and easy to use. If you're looking for a reliable payment processor, I highly recommend Paysafe. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Paysafe payment processing. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video.